G'day viewers, TechXSoftware here. This is time we're going to learn how to teach. Well, you're going to learn, but I'll just get to the point. Well, we're going to do something like this. So, you're using images. So, I like pie. And it tells you a message in a way which you can understand. It's very easy though. You can get complicated. And another way is, if you know, I'll give you a second guess what this is. It's run, fire, north of you. You can't put of in there really, but you probably understand that. So that kind of stuff is fairly easy. There's games on that on like the iPad, and yeah, I don't know what the names are, but anyway. So what if you wanted to write a message? For example, what would you write? I like Kirsten. Okay, we'll try that one. So for example, you would want an I. That would load. So we'll make this small. Names are fairly hard actually to do as images. I have to place this down because it's lagging. So you'll have I for the word I, and you want to have a thumbs up for like. Everyone knows what that means. And I'll move it smaller. I like. I don't know why this is so slow. Probably because I'm recording. And so that will be the simple area. I like. Then the name. This might sound funny, but you could use the phonetic alphabet from, let's say, the kids version of the phonetic alphabet. It sounds like the most reasonable one to do, because Alpha, Bravo, Charlie, Delta, Echo, Foxtrot, Golf, Hotel, India. Might be, people may not understand that one, but people may understand this one more. But it's really your personal preference. So I'm going to use the kid one just because it's fun. I mean, just because, why not? So if I want to write Kirsten, I will need a K. For this one, K is cut. Who would have thought? So I'll shrink this down. You'll need a lot. And this is very slow. K. I need an I. I for ice cream. I like ice cream. Don't you? Of course you don't. You don't like ice cream. So you have K-I. We need R. R for robot. Robot. K-I-R. K-I-R. We need S. S for sun. You guys are learning your alphabet today in Steganography. K-I-R-S. T. T for tree. Shrink that down. I don't know why I'm doing this in Photoshop though, but why not? K. No, this is pretty hard. K. I mean, no, it's pretty hard to put them in the image. Anyway, K-I-R-S-T-E. A for egg. Remind me never to do Photoshop videos while I'm recording. K-I-R-E for egg. K-I-R. K-I-R-S-T-E-N. So N for numbers. This is a bit funky at the moment. People may not. It depends on how you send this kind of stuff. So I'll put. So as you can see, it's I for I, thumbs up for like, and then you got a name, Kirsten. K kite, I ice cream, R robot, S sun, T tree, E egg, N for numbers. I'm pretty sure that's how you spell the name, but we'll go with it. So basically, that's how to do steganography within images. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Have any other ideas for steganography ideas? Please comment. I'll like a comment out of like all my videos. Anyway, see you guys next video.